In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy options on TradingView. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the bottom right of your chart and you want to click on this button, which is the products button. And when you do so, in here, you'll be able to find options. Now, if you want to pin them, you can click on the star button over here and they're going to be added here to your right-hand side menu. So click on options and this is going to open up the options chain for this symbol over here. Now, of course, if you want to change the instrument, you can click on it and you can change it to whatever. You could do same as chart or any of these ones over here. You could also click on more instruments and of course you'll be able to filter through them just like you can in the symbol search top left. For me, I'm just gonna go with same as chart over here and we're gonna stick to Apple right now, okay? Now as you can see over here, there's like a bunch of different things. You have like your bids, you have asks, etc. And if you want to buy options, then of course you want to go to bids or asks, whatever you want to trade on, and then over here you can simply hit these buttons and it's going to pop up the window, of course the trading window, where you can again select if you want to buy or sell. So of course these are bids or asks and you can go ahead and set the prices over here if you have the limit order, the units you want to purchase, etc. Then just hit the buy button down at the bottom. Now here I'm not in real-time data right now, so of course I'm just going to click on send and there we go. That's essentially how you buy options on TradingView. Okay, so I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.